What's going on, creators? Welcome to the channel. Today I want to go over the App Store and the growth section here on Streamlabs Desktop. So to get to the App Store, what you see here, you're going to go over to the little house and click on it. And the App Store is going to give you some things that you can bring into your stream to kind of help you out a little bit. So they do have overlays, and you can add different aspects into your overlay, like being able to have lower thirds, or maybe adding a timer, or having a meme board. You know, there's a few different things here that you can do to make your streams just kind of fun. Then you have like music, channel growth, viewer interaction, game stats, tools, and sponsorship if they had something there. Now, the only thing that I dislike about this in general is that everything here is stuck behind the Prime paywall. So you cannot do any of these things in Streamlabs unless you want to pay for Prime. Now, you might be able to find some of these outside of Streamlabs itself, like for music. If you go to Pretzel or Slipstream's websites, you'll be able to use those right on your computer and not necessarily have to use Prime. So definitely go and look around and see if you can find any of these without having to use Prime. You'll just be using it outside of the Streamlabs desktop. Now, the other thing is the growth section. So this right here is actually really neat. I do like this, and I'm glad this is in here. So on the top here is my goals. They're going to give you 4 goals here to start with. So like trying to stream in 5 different categories, multi-stream 3 times in 1 week, you know, so on and so forth. But if you don't want to use any of these goals, you can click on the add goal, and you can have a drop down here that gives you different ones that are already pre-made, or you can leave it on custom and give it a title. So I'm just going to say test, and then we'll just leave it at 10, click OK, and then you'll see it right here. Now this is something you will have to go in and interact with yourself for the goals, to my understanding. Now I guess it depends on the goal, but if it's something like, say you wanted to stream 3 times a week, so then that progress, you may have to go and click on it, and then that would be your 3 times a week. So then once you fill it all the way up, it will say that this goal has been completed, and then you can just click it away. For the community reach, for the accounts that you attach to your Streamlabs, it's going to then pull in the number of followers you have. So I only have YouTube added, and you can see the YouTube subscriber count. They call it a follower count, but it's a subscriber count. If you wanted to multi-stream, you'll then have to pay for Prime for that, and it will then allow you to link up the other 2 if you stream on all 3. For the streamer resources, you have your Streamlabs University and your Content Hub. Now the Streamlabs University, I think is really good, and I really do recommend you guys using this as a resource on top of the free resources that you get here on this channel and a few other channels here in the YouTube space that helps you guys with streaming. Now with the Content Hub, if you open that up, this is going to be a resource for you as well. It's going to go over things for streaming, about like how to grow your audience. You got stuff for your platforms that you stream on. You got things about the Streamlabs Desktop, tools, widgets, and so much more. And there's a lot of things for you to just kind of sit back here and read to kind of help you understand the streaming space. For the Streamlabs on YouTube, this will direct you right to the YouTube playlist that they have on their YouTube channel. They also give you some growth tips, like creating a consistent brand, setting up a schedule, finding your niche. You know, all these things are really important. Some of these things in here are not as important as others, but definitely go ahead and just kind of read through them and see how you might be able to implement them into your stream. But overall, these are really good things to have. If you do use Prime, you're getting a lot of benefits between the App Store and also with the growth page. But if you guys found today's video helpful, be sure to go ahead and comment, like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Take a look at the content on the channel. Be sure to take a look at these videos or playlists here, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care.